Hello. Music like starts right now. It was all calm before that. Messed up. Uh oh. Hello. Well, that was an irritating stream start. So the old audio setup doesn't like having this much stuff going on, and it sucks. So yeah, so I'll like move these things around so we can see what's going on. Yeah. So the audio is supposed to. So OBS doesn't have proper pipewire integration. So, like the number of audio devices you can have is fixed and limited. I'm kind of curious why they haven't fixed it. So you're only allowed to use microphones. 3 microphones and 2 desktop audio sources, and that's it. No more, no less. I can't like say add an audio source and then pick one. So what I've had to do with my audio setup is craft this crazy system where it takes the microphone. I guess I don't have to do it with the microphone, but like it takes the microphone and puts it in here, which makes it come out of here. And for whatever reason, that doesn't work, but it does work directly. And then I take the music, put it in here, and it comes out here. And for whatever reason, that doesn't work directly. I take like voice calls, put it in here, and it comes out here, and it's monitored by OBS. And these are all separate OBS recording tracks. And of course, this is my camera, and this is oh. I wonder if it's the second camera that's causing the problems. And I should like switch over that one as well to Pipewire. I am not gonna touch that. I'll consider it tomorrow. But yeah, for whatever reason, the thing that's been working for 5 years is now not working. That is this. These are microphones. They're like virtual microphones. So I turn my music into a microphone. I turn my voice calls into a microphone. I turn my microphone into a microphone. And then OBS is like, Microphones. I know how to read microphones. Bruh. And like the desktop audio is like flaky as well. But like I wish I could directly have OBS monitor my what is this thing? Where's the other one? So there's music, VoIP, other, and there's one more. Game. Where's game? Huh? I'm supposed to have game audio here as well. Um. Uh. Maybe that's part of the reason why it's not working. Maybe it's like there's an internal state issue. Bruh. Well, it's working right now, and I don't have any game audio, so okay. Fine with me. Okay, so right, I was gonna try and make the bot player loop good. This is a bit tricky because it's weird to have it as internal state because like if you try to seek immediately after you reach the end of the play. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. I guess I can literally just open BHUP. And like you would hear this as game audio under normal circumstances, but supported graphics device. Oh, true. I did change my graphics drivers. My computer failed to boot this morning, and the Linux troubleshooting checklist item number 1 is the NVIDIA driver doesn't work, and so I updated the NVIDIA driver, and then it worked. And the Flatpak stuff, you have to have a Flatpak version of the NVIDIA driver. So yeah, you have to update whenever you update your NVIDIA driver. So fun stuff. I don't know if they fixed it yet. Yes, they have. As of like yesterday. Okay, so here's game. It's gonna start dropping frames, I do believe. It's very smooth. Yes. Okay. What if I open a thing and I make it small? Very, very small corner game. Oh, it likes it. Okay. Very, very, just a small amount. Oh, this is working again. Oh, so it's my base driver that was messing things up. Oh. Okay. So if we spectate, what the heck? Oh, it's fast. Okay, so watch the bot. I guess we don't need to watch the bot. So near the end, it goes like this. It hits the end, and it freezes for a second. And that's part of the... Oh, actually, you know what? I can have the seek function just like undo the state, actually. So if you just keep advancing time for 1 second after it pauses, then it'll auto restart. But if... How do they do that? Wait, they just do it. Oh, okay. What? Skip. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. Okay, this is actually gonna work. Yeah. Bot player. Lib source. Okay. Let's see. Audio crackling? Oh no, it's definitely me. It's definitely me. Um, is the music crackling? Is my microphone crackling? I had a big technical difficulty early on in the stream. Uh, let's see. What does that sound like? Wow. It's fine. Hello. Test. 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 Oh, there. I heard it. It went click. Hmm. What do? CLV. Are you in on the Roblox Beehive news? Do you know about the bot player? No one seems to know about it. Yes? Everyone knows about it. Replayer in browser. Where did the loading? Oh, there it is. Whoa! What's that? 5-man added number with shadow. That should probably be toggleable. So what I'm looking to add today is a feature where the bot will pause at the end of the replay. Like, because it goes boop, and then it's just at the beginning again. How bad is the audio crackling? Is it bad or is it not bad? Because like I think I'm scared of changing anything right now because the stream is working. I don't want to spend the next hour with technical difficulties. I'd rather work because I have limited time. It gets bad. Was that when I had Roblox open? Because like that makes everything bad. When the GPU usage goes up. So okay, I've been streaming for like 5 years on Linux, right? And I've my GPU is a 3080 Ti, and that's like uh that's a pretty good GPU, right? Well, at least when I got it. But I was using a 1440p screen. Graphene OS. I was using a 1440p screen at 165 hertz, which is worse than what I have now, which is a 4K screen at 240 hertz. That's like 2.5 times more pixels per second, 2.5 times more demanding. So what has happened is the GPU spends more time at 100%. It like throttles everything, including OBS. And I think I'm having issues with that. Like, ideally, the software would know how to not die when there's not enough GPU and know how to, like, handle itself. But it doesn't. OBS just dies. And apparently, my audio dies as well. Consider upgrading. I'm gonna launch my new game. Why don't I showcase my new game? Because we're launching it today. I'll showcase it at in the corner of the screen. Oh my god, bro. Punch. It's called Punch and Egg. Wow. I'm so excited to play. Wow. This is going to be a great game. Holy smokes. Wow. Oh my god, I'm in the game. What is that? Wow. There's there's things moving around. Holy smokes. Uh okay, well, uh I already beat the tutorial. Actually, you know what? I can reset. Is the tutorial not going to start? Bruh, the tutorial. All right, whatever. Okay, so you get your punchers out, and then you start punching. You just start wailing on this egg, and you can't hear it because my audio is broken. But it's making sound. And then, wow, I have these pets. That's so great. Wow. And I go walk with this weird, awkward, stiff walking animation. And I go place it in here. Whoa, look, I'm making money. $1 per second? That's so good. Wow. And then I use the cheese strat and just sell the pet. And I buy an upgrade. And then now I click the button. So it gives me 2 XP because I upgraded. I didn't click it before. Wow. Clicking a button, that sounds so fun. I love clicking a button. Let's go. And now when I punch the egg, I get more pets if I get lucky. It says the percentages there. Wow, I'm unlucky. There, yeah. Hey! Whoa! And then the income amounts are color coded by uh the logarithm base 10 modulo 3. So basically the number of digits in it determines the hue, and it cycles the hue so that as you like progress, you can like tell which ones are bad and which ones are good. Yeah. One. Max capacity. Right, I resetted. Yeah. That's the game. And when you get the air level up, sell all. The air, bro. Like the air level up, the visuals change and stuff. All right, I admit the game is basically a ADHD click addiction cookie clicker simulator, and yeah, it's just a cash grab game. But I'm hoping that maybe I'll be able to buy a new graphics card if this game does well. Yay! Mike's cutting out? No, man. Alright, well, time to go to work. Just one more click. Whoa! They're cowing! They're cowing! I get a chicken when I punch the egg! No way, let me go! I made that animation, by the way. The little hopping animation. I made that animation. All right. This was running the whole time. All right. Okay. So, tell me if the microphone cuts out while I'm coding, because I'm hoping it only really cuts out when I'm doing the thingy. I want to make a server authoritative humanoid. I see. Don't I already have that? Like the whole, like doesn't Roblox just have that now? Ugh. It's not out. Oh. You can't manually step physics. Yeah, that's really the drawback of Roblox in general is terrible time control. All time is just implicit. Everything is implicitly now. Instead of being able to like um run things at your own pace, it must be now. Like you can't make a tween and like run it yourself. Yeah. Oh my god. Surface. Yeah, render target surface. Oh, hold up. Wait, there's a cool thing. Rust up. Update. There's a new Rust out. We got to get that. Uh clean it. Yes, sir. Oh my. Uh is oh, it's in the middle of an update, I guess. Okay. How about now? No. Okay, okay. Just hold off. Okay. Stable. Got a new stable. Clean her up, buddy. 11 gigabytes. Okay. Uh Roblox bot player. Excuse me. Wow. Okay. So how do I do this? So this is the playback head. What I want to do is add another layer to the playback. New Rust. Actually, there's a feature. Rust. Don't worry. Where's the like actual? Uh. Huh? Is this real? Which one is the real one? Why wasn't this here before? Where's the thing? There's a oh, there it is. Array windows. Yeah. But is that what I no? So Windows is like it's a sliding window. So if you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're like array windows length 3, it's like 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, and it give you arrays. Whereas the other one, if it's just Windows, gives you slices, and then you have to be like, oh, what's this slice length? I don't know. But now it's arrays. Wow. What about array chunks? Do they have array chunks? Is that real? Can I? Let me just. Hail. Where do? Okay, so where's a vec? Vec. Okay, this guy's a vec. Yoink, 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 yoink. Array. Chunk. Chunks exact. Like. I guess they don't have it, huh? So this returns an iterator of Gubertonians. Yeah, slices. Well, that's really what I wanted. I wanted array chunks. I thought that's what this was. I was gonna go update all my code everywhere. Great gif. Mul add. Oh, is that FMA? Is it an intrinsic? Oh, with only one rounding error. Yay! Blah blah blah. Maybe more performant if the architecture has a dedicated FMA. This is not always true. Oh, this absolutely destroyed me. Div Euclid. It's not with floats, but with integers. If you divide a negative number, it rounds towards 0 rather than always rounding in the same direction. And that like actually kills all of my math. And I need to go update all of it to use Euclid the right way. Why would you ever need the okay. Why would you need to divide negative numbers unless you're doing something insane? Like a physics engine with integers. Like okay, who is dividing negative numbers with integers? Can you learn to speedrun Minecraft? I can learn to speedrun B-hop. What more do you want? Minecraft, okay. Or okay, so what I'm thinking is that this like pause layer is like just above the playback layer. So it pauses the playback. It becomes paused. Ooh, yeah. So there's whoa. It's not under the playback layer, right? Okay, so let's think about this. What are you working on? I shouldn't have closed it. 5 men. Go 5 men. I'm working on this. So this is the Roblox B-hop bot web player. So this is a run from Roblox B-hop, and I made a renderer and a file decoder and a WASM module and a oh, you haven't seen it? Okay, well yeah, this is what I've been working on for the past like week. Is this using the engine? Mostly no. So the thing that I'm trying to do today is when it hits the end, it goes whoop. But in actual Roblox B-hop, it pauses for 1 second at the end, and that's independent of your time scale. So like this always just goes whoop back to the beginning, no matter what your time scale is. Whoop. But on Roblox B-hop, it always pauses for 1 second. Okay, let me explain. Is this using the engine? Actually, I can just go to the dependency list here. Right? Yeah. So Roblox bot file, not part of the engine. StrafeNet graphics, that is the rendering engine. It's very basic, simple rendering engine, but I guess you could call it a rendering engine. And StrafeNet common, that's just common libraries used by graphics. So yeah, this is hijacking the rendering code, but not the physics code. The physics simulation is very purposefully left out because like that's you don't need the physics. You're just playing back a Roblox bot, which is just a list of positions. There's like you were here, then you were here, then you're here, then you're here, then you're here. And it just goes. So it doesn't need to simulate any physics. That's what. So yeah, the Roblox bot file has these output events. Help. There it is. Okay, so the output event has this stuff, right? Oh, there it is. Your camera angles, your position, and your velocity, and your acceleration. This is only used for gauges. The gravity gauge. No, the energy gauge. But it's not in the player at the moment. Is that update? How did Fireman do that? How did he do that? I don't think I exposed this anywhere. How did he do that? How did he do that? Did he mod the client? Show speed. Is he like measuring it? Get speed bot parser. Ayo. Ayo? Symbol dispose free. Ayo. Ayo. .ts. Wasm. Ayo. Ain't no way. Okay, this is JS. Wait. Max Safari decode bytes. What the heller? What is this 5-man doing? All right, we have another combobulator error to deal with. Do you do anything fun in your free time, like hang out with friends or go to clubs? Funny. No. That would definitely not be fun for me. Going to clubs sounds terrifying. Hanging out with friends sounds cool though. I did that for like a month because I went on a vacation in November. That was fun. What am I doing? Right. Asset is not approved. Boy. So there's literally two errors that do the same thing. Okay. Sure. Whatever you say, Roblox. Um. What do you say? Not authorized. I don't remember HTTP codes. HTTP not authorized code. 403 XD. Okay. That's GG. All right. Cool. Bug fixed. Are you excited about the const keyword in Lua? I mean, that depends how much you get from that. Um, like, can you do DOM immutable DOM? It just seems like there's not enough strictness to be able to make it useful to actually do things. You're just gonna end up with arbitrary limitations because you can't make strong enough guarantees about the way it executes. Like what if I wanted to like set up a table or something ahead of time, and I wanted to like grab and like I had a list. Okay, my pet game from before. What if I have a list of pets? I just want to like put that in a const, but I have to now go walk through the DOM and like do stuff, and like there's gonna be like caching crap in the Roblox engine where like it's like not quite idempotent, and it's like gonna mutate things and you can't make it a constant. It's not deterministic. I just don't foresee that you can make strong enough guarantees to really make the best out of it. Really, the problem is it's not Rust. That's what it comes down to. So stop writing Roblox and start writing Rust. Okay, so I think we have playback session, and then playback session, then playback head, and I think I want to switch everything over to playback session. Well, if the session is above the head, then when you pause the session at the end, do you implement Rust to Roblox? What are you using Rust? I'm just sort of doing my own thing outside of Roblox. Like this, the bot player thing is just implemented from the ground up and is not really related to Roblox other than where it fetches the data from. I'm building out cool and fun infrastructure using Rust because I'm like trying to make my own game engine that's not Roblox for bhop. But I'm focusing on the Roblox aspect right now because of this bot player that's fun and exciting right now. We can look at the game engine. Strafe client. Right, new Rust version. Go. So the bhop physics are all made with Lua. Yeah, isn't that crazy? I think it's about 4,000 lines of code. There's 40,000 lines of code in the Roblox bhop game. There's so much like UIs and like dealing with databases, just managing saving of times, the bot encoding, the replication, spectate. There's so much more stuff surrounding the actual game itself than there is the actual game. What do you think about the new integer type? I feel like that's gonna cause problems, but I guess they're trying to make it not cause problems. All right, here's the game engine. Wow, that's the game engine. Wow, okay, bye. Just kidding. Is it actually laggy? Oh. You good? Encoding overloaded. My good man. Let's go to very small corner. Okay, so I can't show the game engine. Actually, hold on. What if I run it on my second GPU? You have a second GPU? So let's see. WGPU specify GPU. WGPU backend, comma separated list of backends. Selected an adapter. It's too much work. Yeah, the game engine works, but my OBS is busted, so okay. Um yeah, my game engine has 24,000 lines of code in it. Wow. Who added 4,000 lines of code? It was me. So it's like catching up to the Roblox game. It'll probably surpass it if I am able to actually create the game. Because like, of course, there's a lot more involved for a game engine than a Roblox game. Yeah, this has no leaderboards, no replays. Well, it actually does have replays already. God, it sucks that I can't do anything on my screen. Oh. Okay, I gotta log in and start working because like, how much time do I have? Yeah, I only have 2 hours left before I have to go release the egg game at 10 o'clock. And I haven't done anything. CPU. I think it's the way that the GPU is managed. I wonder if a different desktop would work better. Because I'm using this goober thing called J, which is basically Sway, but written in Rust and not Sway. It's just a dude who made a window manager, and I was like, oh wow, it's Rust, and I use it. It's the code is so whack. Like the guy is using all these named constants instead of using enums, and so I haven't really contributed to the project because it's always like arc, RC, named constants, ref cell, and I'm all about those mutable references. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't ever use arc in anything, ever. I don't really understand why you would want to use arc ever, unless it's for like developer experience. That's pretty much the only use case I can see. I love this song. I'm. What is Five Man doing? Maybe, maybe it's in his repo. Wasm, there it is. Heller is this lib, bruh. Get speed. Egg Hunt. I guess you weren't here. I'm releasing a cash grab game today. The DMs. It's in the public API channel on the Behub Discord. For event in Mine Got, it just scans the entire timeline. It is cool. It is cool. That's for sure. This song appears so many times in the discography. Is it milk in the cup? This is coffee. I'm gonna put this away actually. I drink half a coffee cup every day. Mike is cutting out. I have new technical issues today. Is this? It's spurious. Uh, Go away, Switch. Give me a minute. Uh-oh. Well, there's the camera frozen. This is why I didn't want to mess with it. I'm probably gonna have to restart the stream again. Hold on. What does this say? Oh, that's good. Okay. No, that's the wrong one. Uh, bro, it's encoding overloaded? What the hell is going on? Loose wire? No, it's the software. Uh, let's see. I'm gonna look through all my scenes. Two, two. Okay. No, 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 no. Yes. Okay. Uh, well, I'm gonna. This is not gonna turn out well. Technical difficulties. I'll be back once I figure this out. I might try to reboot and stuff. I don't know. This sucks. I'll be back. Hello. God damn it. Oh, why is my throat so dry? Ah. We still got the audio crackle. I can hear it. What the hell? I'm gonna go drink some water. My God. I'm trying to keep my glasses up. The cameras are opposite. I'm crying as well. Let me go fix that. Okay. Now I can bask in audio failure. Oh my God, it's so annoying. I thought it was all fixed. Yeah, that sucks. I thought maybe if I set up the other camera to use the same system, it would work. Well, it sounds okay right now. Nope, it sucks. Like, why am I missing the game audio as well? I guess I didn't restart. Why don't I? It was kind of hard to get everything working. And my computer could fail to boot. It does that as well. Before it even loads the operating system, it just doesn't get past the BIOS splash. Why? Mm. Hello? Direct connection. Hello? This is what I did to, like, botch it together to work before. What is this? Split. I guess I don't need this anymore. Because then I can just set this as the audio device. Because it's exactly the same as what I'm doing here with the mic mix source. Oh my god, I just didn't want to work on this today. I wanted to do my work. Well, it sounds like the audio is functioning at least. Alright, can I please work? Let me know if it's messed up again. Alright, so one thing I know that I should fix is instead of converting this, I do it the other way. Help. Simulation time. And then this is not real. Then these are converted one at a time. What is it called? Frickin' util time from float. Time into. Time. Indeed. Oh, okay. That should fix any goob problems. After wait. Timelines. Indeed. This should. Oh. This was a mistake. Because then this is wrong. Yeah. This function should be like this as well. How's the audio? Is the audio good? Audio working? There's no annoying crackling? Is it fixed? I have literally done zero work. Well, that's not true. I did do that single comment to the map service here. 3 lines of code. Well, I guess I'll add the feature that 5man wants. So that would be state. Oh, I guess that's actually head, isn't it? Get position angles, get velocity type situation. Yeah, so we're gonna have event 0, event 1, time float. Hmm. Hmm. T0, T1, T, F32 lerp. Yeah. Timed event. Hmm. Ah. Struct. So I think I want output event and T. Reference a output event. Oh, v0. Yes, yes. And then event 1. And then T F32. I don't know. Time. Self. Self. Yes. So the lifetime actually comes from the bot. And then this bit goes here. I could actually say event type. No, I can't because it has to know this ahead of time. Indeed. T. And then this. Indeed. Oops. Is that gonna work? Oh my god. Insane. Okay. Indeed. Oh, I wanted to call this prep. Oops. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. And then this is like this. Indeed. And that just works, right? Cool. Okay. So now you have this like interpolation context. I don't know what to call that. Interpolate output context. It's like a context. So then this lerv. Vec3. I appear to have done the wrong one. What's up with that? The delimiter might not be closed. Who said? Oh, it's not real. V0. Close enough. Okay, good enough. So now we have a give velocity function. WASM module. So playback head. So we have get runtime and stuff. This is playback head. Yeah. So in the render, get position angles. Head dot head dot that. Yeah. So it's gonna be. I don't know. Let's just put it at the bottom. So time. How did Fiveman speed? Goodness gravy. Mode. And then what's wrong with this? Okay. So we just do what? Why can't I grab self? Self dot head dot get velocity bot time. And then, dude, I need an IDE. What am I smoking here? Okay. Jesus, please let me. Mismatch types. Like, dude. Session time. Oh. Session time. Get position angle session time. Should this not be session time? Okay, all the times going into head are session time. Okay, so it should be session time. Okay, so then here we don't do this. It's auto. Okay, now we have velocity. God damn. What is this trolling me about? Cannot create expander. What are you smoking? Does it work? Okay, why don't I do it separately here? Okay, so add helper for interpolating output events. So it's most of this stuff, but not the new thing. Okay, and then, yeah, so now we're doing this. Please tell me what this is. It literally doesn't know what it is. Can I please use an IDE? It literally, okay, it literally builds. It's trolling me. It's trolling me. Bro. My God. Okay, so I can actually, I guess I can swizzle. Oh, wait, no, that's real. What are you talking about? I don't have glam. Crap. Oh. Freak. Trait. I guess I can just add a. Is it in here? Yeah. Okay. Wait. Oh, I see. Uh, Indeed, sir. Uh, okay. Is it good? So, PVA. Uh, why don't I do it like this? Current input state. Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Okay. Next. I should probably just make the head public. Because, like, I'm maintaining half my library inside of the bot file. And that is dumb. It should be for reading the bot file. I should probably just have my own type. But, like, it's so useful because I'm reusing the code. Okay. Next thing five man want is some state. No way. So WSD indeed. Um, I'm typing to 5man in the bhop surf Discord public API channel. 5man is using this library in the Control Shift T HTTO in the bot player, and I was noticing that this stops updating when it only updates if the frame advances. So I wrote a new version that is interpolated between frames. Hiya. Ooh yeah. Wow 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 wow. Okay, I'm gonna go pub function get controls self game controls self dot game controls, and that's it. Const. I push gravity, get gravity. Let's add get gravity. Get gravity. Easy. Okay. Um. Do I have a get jump count? I do not. It just tracks it. U32. Okay. So then that would be self and it would return U32 self dot state. Where's state? Uh-oh. Oh, head dot state. Okay, I see. Head dot state dot get controls bits. I think I'm gonna split this. And then move this up, move this up, and do this like this. Yay! Okay, so that's then the good stuff for 5-man. Let's see about refactoring the entire thing and breaking everything. Hell yeah. I didn't mean to do that. Had time after time. So using this, it's nice to be able to use these functions here. But like this is dumb. Having it be private is dumb. It's just not that crazy. So the problem is that converting to float can be off by 1 nanosecond, and you can get into a weird state. So either I need to convert the entire timelines ahead of time into integers, but like it shouldn't get into a bad state. I haven't seen anything crash like that. I'm gonna go make the PR for the bobulator. Um, and then let that figure itself out, and then I'll merge it at the end of the day and bobulate. So I think it's a problem to have this inside. It's a very problem. So like I'm just using it for this function. And then I have that push event type. Next event. It's only used. No, it's used here. Push. If it's a trait. But like, no, okay. Time, it's all internal. Tough stuff. Okay, this is unrelated though. I can just do stuff. And fix that later. Oh, it's the time, is it? Okay. Contains const. This can be constant. This can be const. Okay. Const, not const. Very not const. Okay, stop worrying about this. This should probably be a vector. dvec2. And then that breaks nothing apparently. R. Oh. Yeah, it's a little bit inconsistent. V0 vector 3 and then glam dvec 2, but like they doesn't have a type, so it's not the biggest deal. It's not the biggest deal. What I right. So I want to have a playback session. Makes things so crazy. Session time, playback session time. I'm dead. Two time changes. Having two timers is maybe not the best. But I guess that's okay. So user pause. God. It's just maybe it's better to implement at the top level. Automatic is a little bit sucky. I don't know how to implement it good. So like I can like add another layer, add another object, but then I have to plumb every single function or make the user pass times around. How do I make it not bad? I don't know how to do it not bad. JS, it's integrated, it's too integrated. How's my audio, by the way? Is there still crackling? You know what? I don't know how to do this. I'm not making any progress. It's been like 2 hours. I'm gonna YOLO some strafe client changes. Let's go digging and diving into the deepest depths. That was good alliteration. So basically I just need to fix division here. Um, So what do I need to do? I need to find out where it's dividing, and then jump scare, and then replace it with div Euclid, because anything else is wrong. Sub assign rem assign is negative. Mein Gott. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Oh. Wait, I already am? Oh. Oh. I thought I was gonna fix everything. Dude, when was this? 1 year ago. Div Euclid. Boy. That's the entire comment description. Okay, so can I F slash? Solo frac. I don't want to have the comments. Damn. Fixed LHS bint. Okay, well, here's a problem. Div Euclid. Do you like that? Okay, so I found one. There's another one. Okay. And now all my tests pass and all the bugs are fixed and there's no more infinite loops and... Right? Dude, like my comments are pretty sparse. Okay, well that... I actually found something. Hello. Yabba dabba doo. Let's see. What if I F for div? Divide operator not constant generic div. Boy. Div assign. Like, everything needs to be div Euclid, my good man. Or it's death instantly. What is this? Multiplicate jibs. Did I just like not get it? All right, I found some stuff. CD engine physics cargo test release. Let's see if it breaks tests, fixes tests, or anything. I'm hoping it fixes tests. It didn't fix anything. Damn. All right, we try another build. Right. It absolutely destroys my live stream. How about now? Does it destroy my live stream now? Yep. 2 FPS. Oh, this sucks. Why? Just run it good. I wish I could forbid certain functions from being called. Like, hash map into iterator. I want to forbid that in my entire code base. And then have like a lint, and then like opt in instead of just being able to use it, I guess. And then this as well, div anywhere rar. I should probably do a lot of things. Well, I was hoping that would fix everything, but let's see. Divide operator not const generic. Wait. Method ident. Okay, so I have div Euclid in it. It's a divide operator. Method. I don't understand. This is a macro maze. All of this macro maze goes away if I have const generics, because like this is the width of multiplication, and if I could just say the output width is left plus right width, then I don't need all this. But like that, I think that needs nightly, and it also just doesn't work. So unlucky. Method. Okay, so this say so am I defining this? Struct trait method. Yes. Okay, so this is the method name and not anything good. So normal divide should be Euclid divide. I guess this is okay to say like, oh yeah, it's called Euclid, by the way. And non-Euclid is just not even. What is this? Assign operator. Like this one is doing stuff, surely. Non-assign method. Oh, I see. So this is calling this. So those actually have to have the same name. That's silly. Or wait, was that here? Macro 16, yes, okay. Fixed from bits. So I think this might have been busted. Okay. I was hoping that would fix things, but it don't be. It's 9:14. I'm running out of stuff to do. I need a Monday to like do a huge refactor of something. All right. Well, what was that one thing that was broken? There is a map that converts. Christmas. That's right. Okay. Do I deploy that? I guess. It's checkmarked, right? Okay. Graphics. Right. Reuse the WASM module. I need to do that off stream. Andromeda fails to convert. I fixed that. That gets a check mark. Feature flag for down levels. Right. Let's see. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. Do it. Rust array chunks. Let's see if there's a. Is this unstable? Okay, so it's already whoa. Into remainder. Oh my god. Whoa. So you can mut the iterator. Surely. And then get the last of it. R fold next back. It's an iterator that yields. Indeed. This is really cool. Next. Very cool. Very cool. So it looks like that's on its way. Maybe in a few rusty versions. Compopulate. Force. Peakable iterator. That's cool. Euler gamma. Holy. 577. The macaroni constant. Golden ratio. Wait, F64 mul add const. What else can I do? God, the technical difficulties really slammed me. I was like, oh. Wait. Uh, for the head, if we have this position angles, these are entirely separate. And you can just separate them. Well, damn. Oh, wow. Okay, so I can actually just... Whoa. I can just impulse straight onto this with an underscore function get, let's do position self. It'll work. I can minus this after. And then angles. And then all this just falls away. This gets a minus. Camera offset. Interp. Indeed. Wow, that's a juicer. And then velocity as well. We can go do that as well. Actually, that's all it takes. Should I one line it? Because, like, it can be done. Nah. Surely. That's pretty clean. No, redoing calculations. It all gets reused. The lerp. Love it. These look simpler as well. Is that actually a minus lines? No, sadly. Whatever. So there's also acceleration and tick info, but like we can expose those when we need to. Right, because this also includes roll. YX. I forget what my stupid thing is. Whatever. It works. Good enough. I really want to have this surface thing so you can render. Oh right, there's also the streaming. But that, I mean, to make that work, you would want to stream maps as well. How's this going? Build complete. I think I literally just combobulate all maps again. It can't be that expensive. Can't cost me more than like a cent. Oh, that's a moderation service. Map service. Async. Async. Process model. Batch release. Oh. It puts it back onto itself? Shouldn't the seeding be done upstream? Instead of like spying? I don't get it. Oh well. As long as it works. Meshes. So all of these, once it has the unique assets, all of this can be async because none of these are they're all unique. Mm. Yeah, like oh, okay. So yeah, it has to It can run ID. Who is ID? Okay. So it can run this asynchronously or concurrently, but then it has to go back to a single context for this, and there's stuff for that. Have we got futures? Tokyo stream. Let's see. Tokyo stream. Iter. Converts an iterator into a stream. Yeah, dude. Textures. Let's go, dude. We own this. We can literally just yoink it and sploink it. Oh, hash set. Indeed. So iter, it's now a stribbity stream. Wait, do we need future streams then? Where does this come into play? Rappers read der stream. Bot cruncher. Stream ext. Ah, okay, there we go. Okay, so it's a re-export. Okay. Okay. So then map gulp. Haha. What if I did a future stream? Okay, so then ID type situation, close that up. Continue is not real. Async. Expected. What do you mean expected? Okay, so you are buffer, right? Bugger. Buffer. Okay, continue is not real. How do we fix this? Is this filter map? Oh, right. This is after. Indeed. So it's returning DDS, DDS, DDS. We have a question mark. Which means this needs to be old Rust option result. I can't use both at the same time. So I need option so that I can skip. That's like filter map. And I need result for question mark. Otherwise, it's a pain in the ass. Oh, actually, you know what? I could go return. That would work, actually. I could do result option. That would work. You could do result option and then transpose filter, and then I can use my question marks easy clap. Okay. Um. Return. Okay, none. No way. So now we're doing like that. Okay. Okay. So then this is okay, some ID DDS with a comma. Arr, 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 arr. Expected one argument, found two. Lies. Oh, I see. Okay, and then now we have to do like dot buffer. How do you do this? Buffer unordered. What did I call it in the Scuba Duber? Game RPC main. Concurrent methods. Parallel requests. I'll call it concurrent requests. Bruh. This is 600 different things, right? Try next, map while, then. Jeez. Filter map, fuse, take while, skip while, all, any chain, fold, collect, timeout, repeating, throttle. What is that? Enforcing a delay between items. Interesting. Peekable. Okay, so where's my buffer unordered? We'll see. We'll see. Buffer unordered. Okay, so I'm gonna name a constant. Concurrent requests. Usize 16. We'll go with that to try to not overwhelm Robux. Okay, so buffer unordered. Try for each. Is a try map? I don't know. Oh, concurrent? No, it's not concurrent. A. Okay, it's I feel trolled. Oh, is it fold? Do I need fold? Okay. Futures util. Is StreamX not part of this? Tokyo StreamX. Okay, what does it say? Hello. Is blah blah extension trait variety of ding dongs. Be aware the stream trait is a re-export of the futures trait. Tokyo and futures both provide separate what the heller. Some utilities are only available in one of these traits. Mein Gott. Why? Why would you do that? I thought this was just a re-export. I guess I can go here. Boxstram. Asynchronous strams. Homely. Am I using that in here? Futures. Oh my god. It's futures util, right? Futures. Servers should have one. Buffer unordered. Stream ext. Futures util. Let's see. F this. Try stream asset tool. Game RPC. Stream iter. Game RPC. Stream iter. Well, I mean, it looks to me like I can save some stuff here. Let's see. Futures util. They'll probably be the same version, actually. Why don't I just swap it like this? Util. And then it breaks everything, and then I fix everything. Futures util. Stream X. Feature stream iter. I appear to be using that a whole lot. What the? Okay, that's GG. RPC. Do we do the big iter? Yeah, we do. All right, Mr. Iter is a stream underscore iter. And then I assume we use the big iter here as well. Yeah. Okay. Neat. So that drops a few dependencies, if I am not mistaken. Wow. Wow. Oh, I should go in staging. I wonder what else I can do. Switch to leaner futures util. Futures dep to leaner futures util. Yes, sir. And then why don't I just aggressively update dependencies? You'll love to see this. All right, did I gain dependencies or lose them? Gain. I hate that. Why? Don't. Fold hash, right. People are halfway through changing to fold hash. Oh, there's 2 versions of this now. Who? Who? Why is there Wasm in here? That's nice. What is wit bindgen? What was using this for? Windows sys. Okay, who's using the stupid one? Wasm parser. Alright, I'm not interested. That's dummy. Yep. Okay, and then we can also do that. That's now proven. So I can do that here as well. Here, here, here. CD. Where am I? Map service? I guess so. Combobulator. Wait, am I using that already? Surely I am. I am? Okay, so I switched that and then make it a workspace dependency at the same time. Futures, util. And then help. So we go, what did I just do? Uh-oh. I see. Yoink. F. Futures util. There you go, buddy. And now everything breaks. Breaks. Show me the red underlines. Yay. Futures util. Is that just there? Neat. Oh. Okay, and then we grab the same deal. Use futures util iter stream iter as stream iter. Doink, boink. Try stream ext. Extreme try stream. Okay. Switch to leaner. Switch futures to leaner futures util. And that's on God. GG. And then now I can add it. Uh-oh. Now I'm going to add it to the goo. F. And then use it. Stream ext. Excellent. Okay, what is it doing without it? Oh, it's not. Oh. Okay. Futures util. Bubber unordered. Aha. Oh, I see. Yeah. Stream editor. We have to do the same trick again. Futures util stream editor. We go. Okay, so now it's trolling me. Stream editor map. Map. And then we want, so now we have an iterator. Buffer unordered. I'm going to need to look at some of my stuff. Then for each. Try fold. Filter map. I probably need something like that. Filter map. Okay. Oh no, this is I thought I was done. Okay. Try collect. Try fold. I think I'm on my own here. Oh, try stream ext. Okay, Bubby. Try futures. Okay, so hey. Damn, that's just gonna work, huh? Maybe loaded texture, and then we do if let sum id dds help equals to maybe loaded texture, then bing bong, and that returns a question mark. Haha. Haha, yes. Cannot find value DDS. I do believe this is trolling me. For real. Okay. Cargo build. Oh, hold on. We go again. I mean, this entire thing looks like it's happy about this. You know what'd be nice is if I did all three of these at once, but I think it's oh, it's okay. Like this is already faster, like 16 times faster or whatnot. Meshes. Indeed, sir. Indeed, sir. So it's gonna look very similar. Oh boy. Indeed, sir. Help. Okay, so it says futures not implemented for. Okay, so we want. I guess I could say async then. Haha. I actually don't know which one is better. I know that they're like slightly different. Okay, so how do I do this? So, this just shrimply fails. Print. Should I return in line here or should I? Oh, it's the final statement. So this is okay, some bingus bongus, ID mesh. Help mesh. ID. D. So then this one is okay, none. Okay. None. And then this is not real. And then this is right here. Mesh loader, load mesh. ID mesh. Dematch. Maybe loaded match. Async. Arr. Expected it to be a. Oh. Is there try map? Because, like, yeah. So the thing is, like, it's expecting an optional value in and out. Oi. Go back. F. F is a function that takes the OK variant in, but then it returns a future that is also a result. Like, I feel like you should be able to make anything out of it. Try for each. Error, self-error. Like, it forces the input result and the output result to have the same error variant, but you don't get to know the error within the function. It's, like, silly. If maybe expecting else. Oh, I see. Okay. Just kind of keep reading those rusty rusts. Okay. This is the gamma. Cannot find. Okay, so now it's trolling. Okay, so then continue is this. And this. Okay. Does not implement funmut. Capture state from his environment. Okay. What's that? Oh, are they capturing the same goober? References to captured variables to escape. So it's the wait, that's not the same though. This is a texture loader and this is a mesh loader. Is it then using it down here and that's what's trolling me here? Variable captured here. I'm dead. All right, go. Variable captured. It is borrowed. Wait, ID is borrowed. What? What do you mean ID is borrowed? What are you smoking? ID is not real. ID is passed through, my good dude. What? Variable captured. Returns an async block that contains a reference to a captured variable which escapes the closure body. Oh. ID async. Wait. Is that good? Are you happy? Okay, and then what about you? Are you happy? Does not implement FinMut because it captures state from its environment. Oh. Rust futures is future streams. You either write the final correct code or you have no idea what you're doing. Capture state. Like, that's the whole point. Okay, well, I can just use trifold. And that'll work. Fold. Help. You go right there. In it. Okay, so then now we have a doodad. Texture loader is mutt. Mutt texture loader. Gabagoo. Okay, texture loader. I forgot. Function returns fut t. T. Okay, so it can only return t. Expected two argumentatives. Yeah. 1, 2. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Haha lol. Okay. So now the problem is the mesh loader. Oh no, it's not a problem. I just bop it into this one, then bop it into that one. I think this is a bit clearer. He said, none of this is clear. Okay, now mesh loader, I need to try fold, mesh loader, yabba dabba do, and then this is not like that. Mutt mesh loader, I just copied, comma, mesh loader, boom. Yeah, and then na. What do you want? Muttable. IZ. Okay, and then the final straw. We go like this, except like this. I also want that. Bop. And then this. That. Unions. Muttable. Paste. Boom, boom, big boom. We basically want this goob right here. Handle error. Haha, yes. Indeed, sir. Basically, union, basically, boom, basically, union, instead of mesh, basically, union. And that's basically it. Insert union. Union. Ooh. Union. Union. Maybe loaded union. Union. Mesh loader. Yeah, but yes. Oh, I'm so good at this. Oh, through all the error messages. That's crazy. That was I would not have been able to do that with without all the experience with the other tools that I've written. Come bob you later. Use up to 16 parallel requests. S3. It's actually overall. Boom, boom, boom. All right, we need to spell correctly. Okay. So it's downloading from Roblox fast as well, which oh, that's I could actually implement this as a queue if it fails. I don't know if I don't know, like surely Roblox lets me download the assets and doesn't just break, right? Cool. Okay. That was easy because I had the correct experience. And not because the error messages were good and guided me through it. Indeed, concurrent requests. So the only issue is it's gonna spam Roblox with requests, and Roblox might like rate limit me, and then we hit the question mark instead of the none, and it fails. There's a big problem, and that problem is that I can't see the dashboard. Its name keeps sending me error messages like give a man a fish when I want teach a man to fish. I want to be able to just actually use the dashboard so I can see the error messages myself. Bruh. Well, this used to work, so maybe it'll still work. What's this function? Download asset, download asset. This is cookie. I think it's way less rate limited. Oh, it does have Tvec. Tvec, bro. Cookie. That, I don't know. Maybe it'll work. All right, let's reload this so it stops trolling me. All right, sure, go for it. Build. Uh. Mm. 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 So it'd be nice to have a shared concurrency. Like I'm doing textures 16 at a time, and then it has to finish downloading the textures, and then do meshes 16 at a time, and then finish downloading the meshes, and then unions 16 at a time, and then finish downloading the unions, and then it's done. I mean, it's a big improvement from doing one at a time. Like the old way is just for each, not concurrent. One thing at a time. Okay, so that would involve like a enum, because you would need to like go, this is a mesh, this is a union. I guess these ones can be joined actually. Wait a second. I can chain these. Wait a second. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, but no, it has to know mesh with, wait, union. It's a, okay. Okay, this thing, okay, it's not going to be bad. Unions are small. So it's possible. This is like a heavy operation that reads a binary file, but the files are tiny. You know, what'd be nice is if my pull request to this library was accepted. That makes it 29% faster. I'm not mad. It's only been 6 months. Okay, so they can't. Why? Wait. Union. Insert union. What? Unions.insert. What? Oh. Right. Because it needs that crap. Right. Because it's like, it like kind of maybe overrides it maybe sometimes a little bit. Roblox. Right. So that's why I can't directly convert the unions, because sometimes maybe there's mesh data in the file, maybe sometimes physics data, sometimes not, sometimes it's in this random remote file. Roblox. Okay. It's good. It's good. Maybe sometimes. Concurrency. It's like the guy with the technology sign. Technology. Concurrency. I am fearless. We'll try. Okay, I'm gonna deploy this. Where is it? Is it back? Yes, it is. Okay. Go. Deploy. Go. Deploy. Concurrent processing. Combobulator. Combodulator. The bod. No, it's a bob. All right. Use up to yeah. Okay. And it built, right? The build was successful. Indeed. Push to staging. Build was successful. That means this will also be successful. Merge it. Go. YOLO. This can actually bring down my entire game if I make a mistake here. But I'm not editing the code that can do that. I kind of want to have it not like that, where the website is separate from the... I had it all figured out at one point of how to like separate it, and then its name was like, nah, it's fine. Okay. Okay, so now we're waiting for this. I wish I could like play the game or something, but it lags my stream and it makes me cry. Fine. We good. Okay, so I'm gonna combobulate the map, Christmas map. Let's go find it. Maps.strafes.net. So it hosts the website, the thing that I'm deploying right now and waiting for. The map is Christmas. So this map fails to load on the 5-man website. 5-man Christmas. So if I click here, it's like, couldn't load map file because the combobulator can't combobulate. So this update should fix it. Oh no, actually this update fixes it. The skip 403. There was a forbidden asset. Das ist verboten. And it just gave up. It's like, I can't touch that. I don't trust like that. And then it just gives up. So now I made it not give up. And then I also made it faster. 16 times faster. It should only take like 5 minutes. These are fighting for resources. Unfortunately, we don't have enough CPU. Surely my cash grab game pops off and I can just like... Oh. Hello time. And then I can like fund more servers for Bhop and Surf. So Bhop and Surf start losing money, and I just make money elsewhere. The dream. Invest. Bhop and Surf are my passion. Cash grab is my cash flow. I have no idea if this is gonna just break, and I can't like investigate either because I still don't have access to the dashboard. Well, I guess I just assume. All right, here's the dashboard. Log in. No. Oh, clearly he doesn't want to do it. Okay. Whatever. Okay, are you done? The pull request is finished building. Hey, okay, it's deploying. It should take like 10 seconds to deploy. All right. It's time to combobulate. Okay, so this would combobulate everything, which is an option. Combobulate. Discombobulate. What map? Map is this. We got that ID. Surely it works. 404. I didn't add it to the web API, did I? I don't remember. Maps. Okay. Okay. So now it's combobulating, and I don't know how long it takes. Probably like 10 seconds or something. I guess I can just refresh this page until it works. Nope. It might fail to combobulate. There's no way to know because I can't see the dashboard because I can't log into the dashboard to see the dashboard. Oh, it did it! Woo! Yeah! Okay. Oh, oh, why is it frozen? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, my browser is frozen. My live stream that I can see on the side as well is also frozen, but I think that's just my browser because OBS is still working. I believe I have crashed Firefox here. Yes, web GPU, new technology. Do I have Chromium? No. I'll just install it. And then mess around. 5-man. Age. 5-man age. What? I mean, he's obviously 5. Okay, and we already know his gender. Net strafe. 5man.net. Maps. Christmas. Can we achieve crashing Chromium as well? This device does not support web GPU. Huh? Okay. We crashed Chrome as well. Oh, it's not crashed. Why is it doing like that? Why is it all slow? Okay, well, it's fixed. All right. Sure. Okay. Well, I'm gonna head off. it's time for me to release the egg game. Yeah. Gonna work on a few things, release the game, and get rich. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you when I'm a millionaire. Bye.